If you want to open your Gmail inbox quickly and easily, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. Whether you are using a laptop, desktop, or any web browser, this is one of the fastest ways to get into your email and check your messages. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you already have on your device. Once the browser is open, go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you directly to Google's email service. If you are already signed into your Google account, Gmail may open right away, but if you are not signed in, you will see a login page asking for your Gmail address. Enter your email address first, then click Next. After that, type in your password and sign in. If you have two-step verification turned on, you may also need to confirm your identity with your phone or another device. Once you are inside Gmail, you will land on the main Gmail interface. On the left side of the screen, you will see the menu where Gmail keeps all of your folders and labels. To open your inbox, look for the inbox option in that left menu and click it. In many cases, Gmail opens the inbox automatically, but if it does not, this is the place you want to click. After you click Inbox, your email list will appear on the screen. These are the messages currently in your inbox, with the newest emails usually shown near the top. You can scroll through the list, click any email to open it, and start reading your messages right away. If you see unread emails, they are often highlighted or bolded so you can spot them quickly. If you use Gmail often, it can help to bookmark the page in your browser so you can come back to it faster next time. You can also make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account if you manage more than one account, because Gmail will always open the inbox for the account that is currently active. And that's it. You now know how to open your Gmail inbox in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Gmail or email related guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.